Hi traders, today is 14th of February 2019. So we are now live for crude oil futures market, March 2019 contract. So I'm about to short sell the market at 54.38. Okay, this is where I'm expecting to reverse the market. It will be a short uh, profit taking activity during this almost mid London session. So this is okay, this IQ here. You can see this is my TP area, so it should be around 38 minus 17. 17 is my TP area, so it should be around 21 ticks. So I queue here at 54.38. Okay, hopefully the market will reach there. I will continue my live trading recording later. Hopefully when the price trigger and go to the outside. So this should be a quick one, and hopefully shouldn't be any problem. So we continue. It's nice to see a right candle, which you can see here. There's a high tendency for maybe this one is a pullback. Then I'm expecting for the price to go further down. It was a hope, but have to keep in mind above this will be more bullish than bearish. Okay, traders, looks good. We see another right candle. So the VWAP line is this one, the one with the yellow color, yellow or orange, something like that. And once it passed through this line, the VWAP line, then the market will go for the bearish movement. I will not stay long for the market because it's almost mid in London, and a quick TP is targeted for this kind of entry. So let's wait and see. Maybe we can see the effect for the next 30 minutes. Hopefully everything looks good. Okay, by the way, please subscribe this channel, and there's a link below if you are interested to get the live trading signal. You may subscribe the Telegram channel. As for now, it's still free. Just click the link and join the WhatsApp group. Sorry, not WhatsApp group. I mean Telegram channel. This is where I give live trading signal. Okay, we almost trigger to my stop limit order. Let me enlarge this chart to see it more clearly. Okay, by the way, this is a 15 minutes time frame chart. So I have queued my position here. If you can see this purple line, this is where I queue my position at 54.38. If the price breaks through this level, there's a high tendency for the bearish movement. But still, if cannot go further down, then this is the fail area for the bearish, and the market might go for the bullish. So I have to wait patiently. So I have wait for quite some time. Okay, we have just triggered sell stop limit order at 54.38. Things look good at this moment. So now we are about profit. We are now in profit about, oh, now is 0 0. So but it's good, we already enter 2 ticks now, so we'll keep posted. So it was a good entry so far. So we have to wait for another 30 more minutes, I guess, to see a much more better bearish movement. So this here is a nearest low. Hopefully the price can break through. Okay, I was away just now. Went for have something to eat, but then the market already reached the TP area. So as you can see here, my TP area is 5417. So you can see there's a clearly this triangle small here. This small triangle here is my entry level. So you can see here, from here I go for short, then exit just nice. This is exactly at 5417. So it was a good trade after all. So I have earned so a total profit of 420 US dollar just now during this London session and pre-US session. So this is the total profit 420. So I've short my position just now. Okay guys, I think that's all for today. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe this video. There's a link also for live trading signal from my Telegram channel, so feel free to join in and maybe will benefit you. So that's all for now. So we'll continue maybe during US session in 30 minutes or 20 minutes time. So this is live trading. Okay, bye bye.